Today is February 3rd. After the snowstorm, we have about 3 feet snow surrounding the house. Now it's melting. Today the weather is clear sky with white clouds. The sprinkles hanging around everywhere. That means snow is melting. It's not that much cold. Sun shining. Today is about 2 degree plus, but why the snow is melting now. Here you can see how big mountain of snow we have around here. Even today, up to my thighs. Yesterday it was this much, up to my belly bottom. Now the snow is getting down, sandwiched down. Look at the tree. Wow. Top of my house. The wind is little, not that much, but it is about 20 miles per hour. Yeah, that's a beautiful day today. We dig all the vehicles out. My daughter is working on the sidewalk. She's digging the snow on the sidewalk. My car covered there. Huge snow deposited here. We clean all this mess and mountain of my cars. Today no school, children staying home, but people start working, the cars are moving. It's a beautiful day today. Sun shining, not that much cold. We can walk around. We cleaned this driveway yesterday. We hired a snow plower and snow pulling trucks, and otherwise it's so difficult. This is North New Jersey, close to Pennsylvania border, close to Delaware River. It called vehicles are moving around. Clear sky, little cloudy, and sun shining. It's Appalachian Trail. The houses on the mountainside separate. It's a beautiful area. It's my house. Ah.